Welcome back guys, this is question 9 and here the statement of this question is an AOI and or invert logic chip. Okay, so here we have a logic chip has two 4 input AND gates. Okay, so we have two 4 input AND gates connected to a 2 input NOR gate. Okay, so what we have here, in order to solve it, let me first write that here we have two gates, okay, which are of 4 input AND gates, okay, and we have a single gate, okay, which is what, which is a 2 input NOR gate. Okay, so we have AND and NOR gate, and on the basis of it we have to write the Boolean expression for the circuit. Okay, so let me first draw the circuit for it. So the AND 4 input AND gates are 2, so let me first draw them. So this is a first AND gate, this is a second AND gate, and as we know that each gate has 4 inputs, so there are 2 gates and each has 4 inputs and 2 outputs. So here we have these 2 gates, 1 and 2, so this is 1, this is 2, and similarly a single NOR gate which has 2 inputs. So this is basically a NOR gate, at the output of it is a bubble and it has these 2 inputs. So let me connect them. First let me write all the combinations. So the inputs to it are A, B, C, D. Okay, so we can see here that assume the inputs are labeled A through Z, so therefore I am writing them A, B, C, D, and here E, F, G and H. Okay, so the output of them will be A, B, C, D all multiplied, and here E, F, G, H. Okay, so now these inputs are given to what? These are given to this circuit, okay, as an input. So when these are given to it, what will be the output here? The output here, let me write it with this blue color, this yellow color as well. So it would be A, B, C, D plus E, F, G, H, and due to the NOR gate it will be whole complemented, and this is what, this is the output expression for our circuit which we had to find out. Okay, so on the basis of the statement we have found out the hardware description, that is the hardware, digital hardware. Okay, and from this digital hardware we have found out the Boolean expression, and from it I can very easily draw the truth table for it as well. Okay, so this is the design process as well. So we have seen some steps of it in our question here. So that's it for today, and I will see you with some more interesting questions in our upcoming